Welcome. If you want to get iOS launcher on your HUAWEI Mate 10 Lite, for the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type here iOS launcher. And you have to get this application from the Lite developer, and the name is Launcher iOS 14 Beta. So when you get this application and you download it, you can open it. Accept all of the permissions. And as you can see here, we have a lot of things that we can customize on this launcher, but just go and straight and activate it. So tap on the home button, go for the settings, move for the apps and notifications, and go for the default apps. Right now we have to tap on the launcher and select iOS launcher 14. Click to change, click on the home button, and as you can see, our launcher has changed and it is loading all of the stuff that we got on our screen. So click on the notification that we got it. And right now let's check. And as you can see, it is working. So right now we can try to edit the home screen apps and add this to this bar right here. And here we can also edit some widgets. And of course, if you want to use it, you have to grant the permission. So let's enter here. Tap on the permissions and tap on the switchers, they are not activated, then just go back, and as you can see, our launcher is working. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.